Well, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a border box animation with the help of your HTML and CSS. If you want the source code, it is present in the portfolio. The link of the portfolio is given in the about section of the YouTube or the description of this video. So let's get started. So let's start our code by writing the HTML boilerplate code. Give the title box border animation. Link the CSS file, save it, and let's go ahead. Now take a div with class box and that right here I, and in the take h2 tag and right here I. Now in the same way we have to take another div with class same box, take again one h2 tag and give here the emoji of heart. Now next we have to take another class of box, take h2 tag and we have to write here YouTube. Save it. Now let's go ahead in the CSS file. In the CSS file first we have to give for the web margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box, and save it. And after that I have copied this font link from the Google Fonts. You can also copy it from there. We have to just go in the usage tab, copy that link and paste about this. I will take the poppins and paste it in the web. Save it. Now let's go to the body tag. In the body tag you have to give display flex, align item center, justify content center, height of 100 bh, background of hash 252525, and next give gap of 10 pixel, give flex wrap of wrap, save it. Let's go ahead. Now we have to use a property tag, @property -a. In this we have to give syntax of angle, and the next line we have to give inherits false. After that take initial value 0 degree, save it. Now after that we have to go for the class box. In the class box we have to give display flex, align item center, justify content center, give the position relative, width of 300 pixel, give the height of 300 pixel, save it. After that we have to give the background of repeating conic gradient, Here we have to give from variance of -a, comma hash FF2770. Save it. We have to give at 0%. And after that we have to give hash FF2770 at 5%. Then next we have to give transparent of 5%. After that we have to give transparent of 40%, and the last we have to give hash FF270 hash FF2770 at 50% and save it. Now after that we have to give the animation of animate. We have to give the animation of rotating 2-second linear infinite. Save it. After that give border radius of 20 pixel. Then give filter, drop shadow of 0, 15 pixel, 50 pixel, hash 000 and save it. Now we have to give the nth child to the class box nth child, and here we have to take the first child. To the first child we have to give filter, drop shadow of 0, 15 pixel, 50 pixel, hash 000 and give U rotate up to 25 pixel. We have to do 225 degrees. Save it. And after that we have to give the same for the third child. Copy it and paste it here right for the third child, and we have to rotate in the degree of 310 degree. 310. Save it. And let's go ahead for giving the animation. Add the keyframes, rotating for the rotating at 0%. We have to give -8, 0 degree, and at 100% we have to give -8 of 360 degree and save it. After that we have to apply the before property for the class box, and before we have to give content of empty string, and after that we have to give position absolute, give width of 100%, height of 100%, give background of repeating conic gradient, repeating conic gradient, from where? From variance of -a, and the color will be hash 4F 45 F3 FF. Save it. We have to give at 0%, then we have to give same color at 5%, and 5%, then we have to give transparent at 5%. After that we have to give transparent at 40%, and next will be a blue color at 50%. Save it. Now after that we have to give the animation animation of rotating 2 seconds, linear infinite, and animation delivery of minus 0.5 seconds. Save it. And after that give border radius of 20%. Save it. Now give animation play state will be paused. Save it. Now we have to give the animation after hovering. So give box hover comma dot box before hover. You have to give the property of animation play state will be running. Save it. And after that we have to give the after property for the box dot box after. In the after property we have to give the content of empty string, give position absolute. After that give inset of 6 pixel, inset of 6 pixel, give border of 8 pixel, solid, hash 2525 2b. And then next we have to give border radius 15 pixel, then give background of hash 2d39. Save it. And next we have to give the CSS for h2 tag in the box dot box h2. For the h2 we have to give position absolute, position will be absolute, inset will be 40 pixel, and after give display flex align item center, border radius of 10 pixel, 10 pixels. Save it. Now give font width of 500. After that you give justify content center. After that give background of RGBA 0,0,0,2. Save it. After that it gives Z index of 111. Give color of hash triple F means white color. Give font size of 2.5 em. After that we have to give the box shadow of inset 0, 10 pixel, 20 pixel, RGB 0,0,0,0.6. Save it. After that we have to give border bottom of 2 pixel, solid, RGB. We have to give 255, 255, 255, 0.15 and save it. So yeah, our project is ready. We will take the live preview. You can see that. We will go live. Click on the go live button for the white screen. So here our project is ready. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to share it.